Hi guys, welcome to my channel Arch Rendering. Today I'm going to teach you step by step how to make Revit model. We are using 2D AutoCAD floor plan of the house, the small house which I have designed, and that will show you how to get started. We'll keep it very simple. We'll make Revit 3D model using AutoCAD floor plan. Then we'll make a complete drawing package of that house. So it includes floor plan, roof plan, 4 elevations and 3D model. After this video, I'll make how to render. So once we make this drawing package, and if you're interested in seeing it 3D rendered, so I'll make a separate video where I'll teach how to render. So it will look like this. I've already rendered this, but I will show you step by step process how to get there, how to achieve this level of 3D rendering using Revit and Enscape. Open the Revit and let's get started. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, I've already opened Revit 2025. So once you open, you will see this screen. From the top left, you can open the existing file or create the new one, hitting new. Let's keep it imperial. I like to work with feet and inches, so imperial. Just hit project and OK. Once you hit OK, you will see this screen. From the right side, you can see the project browser. Project browser contains all the sheets, the whole drawing package, like electrical plan, mechanical, plumbing, floor plans, elevations, ceiling and everything. You can reach everything from here. As you can see, we are on level 1 L1 architecture here. So that's first floor, you can say. I'm keeping as is, and from here hit that little house icon and you can go to the main 3D view. We'll come here later. Let's insert first the 2D plan in the Revit. So what I'm gonna do, copy plan, separate, create a separate AutoCAD file so you can insert that file in the Revit. So I'm saving this already created floor plan. Give whatever name you want to give and just create a separate file. So let's go to insert. Let's first go to the first floor L1 and then go to insert, link CAD, find your file, hit positioning, manual origin and open. Okay, so now it's on the first floor. Your plan is on the first floor. Check the scale, DI for dimension. Check the scale. It's all good. I'm hiding everything. Just hide everything so it's pretty easy to focus. Now we're gonna create the wall. Okay, so let me measure. So it's 5.5 inch wall. Let's create the 5.5 inch wall first. So go to WA wall, select any wall, hit duplicate, give 5.5 inch name, edit, make it actual 5.5 from 8 inch. Okay, and just hit OK. Okay, so now if you hit WA wall, you will see our created 5.5 inch wall. Select that. From the properties, see base constraint. That should be L1. So from where wall gonna start, it's L1. And top constraint, keep it L2, the second level. wall will end on the second level. And just click according to the parameter of the wall. Hit that little home icon to see how your walls shaping up. Now you can see all walls lined up. Now let's create roof. So I'm gonna suggest you to create a roof by footprint. Let's change the pitch from 912 to 1012 because I think in this 3D it is 1012. I've already created this, but I'm just making this video again to show you guys how to get there. So hit OK, 3D. Yeah, the roof is already done. What I'm gonna do, attach this to the ceiling. So attach to the top, click there, attach to the top, so it's nice and attached, nicely properly attached to the ceiling. Now we're gonna put some doors. So dr command for door, put any generic door. If you hit dr from plan, you can see L1 floor plans, you can put the doors and windows, or you can put from 3D as well. So I generally prefer from the floor plan because it's easy to locate. From this arrow you can position the swing of the door, and I click on the wall to check where my AutoCAD lines are, AutoCAD drawing lines are. So if you want to check where the lines, so as you can see, I click on the wall and you can see the lines behind the wall. So I'm gonna divide. I have to make 4 doors, so I'm gonna dividing 192 inches into 4 and making the door with the same way we made the wall. So for dr, click any door, make a duplicate and do the same thing what I'm doing right now. Yeah, position the door according to the, I'm putting any available door at the moment, but as we move forward I'll teach you how to make your custom doors and put the proper door. For now I'm just putting any door available in the Revit. Now as you can see, it's quite bigger of the size. I changed this, I reduced the size a little bit. As you can see, this in this 3D you can see, yes, I need to extend the wall because that's the design. Yeah, that's the design. I'm gonna attach this as well so it's seamless. Let's attach to the top, to the roof. So now you can see the building is shaping up, right? It's shaping up. Now let's add some windows. So click the wall, see the location of the window, click WI for window, click any window you like to put and just hit. So as you can see, it's small size. Let's make a duplicate window of the 4 feet by 4 feet. Okay, duplicate, give name whatever name you want to give. Let's say 4 feet by 4 feet. Hit OK. Change the actual width and height, the dimension from here, 4 feet, and hit OK. As you can see, that window changed from whatever to 4 feet by 4 feet. Okay, let's go to the AutoCAD elevation. So I have window here. So I'm gonna match the exit sizes and the location of the window. So just hit WI window, select our window and put on the place. Here I have 4 feet by 2 feet high window, so I'm gonna make a duplicate window. I didn't duplicate it, so it changed all the windows. So make sure you duplicate the window, otherwise all window will be changed. So make separate window by duplicating it, and now you can see it's separate 2 windows. One is 4 feet by 4 feet. Put sill height at proper 5 feet, whatever you like. Go to plan, click the window, click the wall and check whether it is at correct location or not. Just copy paste the other window. I'm gonna match the sill height later. Make sure it's all lined up correctly. So now let's put this 3 feet by 4 feet and 4 feet by 4 feet window here. So WI, I got this already created window. Just click and done. Now let's create the 3 feet by 5 feet. I'm gonna just reduce the project browser size as it's taking too much space. So let's this 3 feet by 5 feet, hit the window, duplicate it, name 5 feet by 3 feet, okay, width 5 feet, height 2, no, not 2, it's 3. Let's go change 3 feet, yes, hit okay and done. So let's do the same thing at the back. I have 2 windows, one 2 feet by 3 feet. So here you can see the front, I have the whole glass facade, and back I have only 2 windows. So let's get done the back side first. I have awning window, it's the same, so just MA match property. I click the other window I've already created, and then I click the and then I hit the window I want to make the shape of. Just match property if you want to create the similar window, similar family type. But in here I have to create this because I don't have the same window. So just click duplicate, edit type, duplicate, give name 3 feet by 2 feet, 2 feet by 3 feet, okay, change the dimensions and boom, done. Just position it accordingly. Now let's check the height of the floor, because I think it's a little bit bigger. So from the elevation you can see the height, and from the AutoCAD it's just 8 feet 1 1/8 of an inch. So that's the floor height. I already created sections and everything. Okay, so I'm gonna click that, change the height to 7 feet 8 feet 7 5/8 of an inch. So remove the dash and it should be hit okay. So whole roof moved a couple of feet. Okay, change your window height accordingly. Let's check the door height and everything. Yeah, it's pretty good, 8 feet. Let's make it exact 8 feet 1 and 8 feet 1 1/8. doors are changed. From top, I'll add custom window in the I'll teach you how to add custom window in the next video. It's pretty easy, just editing wall type and creating a separate glass profile. But for now, as you can see, I haven't added the floor, the main thing. So we're gonna hit L1 first floor, go to architecture, floor. I have a 6, I'm gonna click 6-inch floor, just modify it, hit square, and it's all done. So as you can see, floor is done. Let's go to floor. Yeah, everything is, like you can see, the basic shell is already done. Add some topographic surface. Go to mass and sites, create topsoil. I'm just selecting any random grassland of 16-inch, whatever already exists. Just click and done. It's, as you can see, it's 6-inch above. I made it 6-inch below the floor, so my building sits 6-inch above the topographic surface of the land. Yeah, so it's pretty much done, guys, and as you can see, in the next video I will show you how to get here. And let me know if you missed something. Let me know, I'll make a separate video and I'll try to help you guys as much as possible. So take care, guys. See you until next time. Take care. Bye.